digging into Super Smash Bros. Brawl modding and working with BTX files. This is a texture resource file from the game's data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, extract, and modify these BrawlBox texture files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading BTX file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. BTX files are texture data files from Nintendo Wii games, particularly Super Smash Bros. Brawl, containing image texture data used for character models, stage environments, and UI elements. They store compressed texture data in Nintendo's proprietary formats that the Wii's graphics hardware decodes during real-time game rendering. BTX texture files store image data in Wii-native formats, including CMPR S3TC-like compression, IA4 IA8 grayscale, IA4 IA8 grayscale, with alpha RGB565, RGB5A3, and RGBA8 full color. The format includes texture dimensions, mipmap levels, and format identifiers for the Wii's TV texture environment pipeline. The specific reading module for BTX files is provided by BrawlCrate from the BrawlCrate team. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows cannot decode map or environment data, so compatible game editors are needed. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your BTX file and click Open With. If BrawlCrate is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. When a BTX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent BTX problem. First, viewing in BrawlBox. Download BrawlBox, part of the BrawlCrate tool suite for Super Smash Bros. Brawl modding. Open the BTX file or its parent archive to browse and preview texture images. BrawlBox displays textures with proper format decoding and provides export options for converting Wii texture formats to standard PNG or BMP images. Next, exporting textures. In BrawlBox, right-click on a texture node and select Export to save it as a PNG file for editing in standard image editors. The export function converts from the Wii-native texture format to standard RGBA PNG, preserving transparency information. Export multiple textures for batch editing of character or stage skins. Finally, replacing textures. Edit exported PNG textures in GIMP or Photoshop, maintaining the original dimensions and color space. In BrawlBox, right-click the texture node, select Replace, and choose your modified PNG. BrawlBox re-encodes the image in the appropriate Wii texture format. Save the archive and load it in Dolphin emulator to test your texture mod. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.